Hello, remote learners! You guys have done such a great job this week. I know it's only Monday, but you've navigated a lot of snafus that have happened. So thank you very much for communicating with me and letting me know what you're having trouble with and what I can do better. So I just wanted to let you know that even though today I had asked you to take your iStation tests, forgot that those have not been activated yet. So those will be activated on Wednesday the 1st. And so you can still log into iStation and do some lessons if you want. That is completely up to you, but you won't need to take the iStation, iCIPS math and iCIPS reading tests until Wednesday. And I've asked that they are actually turned in by Thursday night this week at midnight. So don't stay up till midnight, please, but don't worry about taking your test until Wednesday. And then I'll post those on Otis again just to remind you. So thank you for navigating through that. I also will be posting math lessons, and we won't start science and social studies until next week, just so we all get in the groove of things. Thank you to those of you who have turned in your words their way spelling inventory test. I'm using that to help guide how I teach you spelling and vocabulary. So thanks for taking that. It's not due yet. It's actually due on... I believe I said Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. So please make sure you send that to me by Wednesday. And let's see. Oh, so for Math Course 2 and Math Course 3, I need to know if there's anyone willing to only use the ebook resource. I have workbooks for students to actually have something in front of you to use as a workbook, but I'm short one workbook in Course 2, and I'm short one workbook in Course 3. And so if anyone's willing to just use the ebook instead of having an actual paper copy in front of you, it's the same thing. It's just one's paper and one's not. Please let me know if you're willing to do that. But if that's going to be detrimental to your learning, don't volunteer. Okay, so thank you very much. Your math levels should be in Otis and in PowerSchool hopefully by the end of today. They may not upload until tomorrow. So once that happens, then I'll be assigning your math homework for the rest of the week, which won't be exorbitant because we're just getting rolling in this. So just watch for that. I am trying to give you a full week's worth of lessons at a time. Please pay attention to the due dates on each tile. There are details and due dates on each tile. So pay attention to those. I'm trying to give you the opportunity, if you want to work ahead on assignments, that gives you the opportunity to do that. So you can always, almost always, do things early, but please don't do them late. Okay? And then also I wanted to let you know tomorrow morning, which is Tuesday morning, I will be out of the building in a training until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So you probably won't be able to reach me in the morning, but if you have trouble or need anything at all, just send me an email, reach out to me, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I am able to tomorrow afternoon. So I don't want you to worry if you aren't receiving anything Tuesday morning. Just know that I'm in a training and I will get with you as soon as I can. So that being said, I'd like you to try to be picking a novel that you would like to read, a narrative story that you would like to read on your own so that we can do a novel study together. So be looking for a novel that you have not read before that would be challenging to you but not too challenging, because I want you to be able to understand it and really analyze it. So a narrative, which means it's fiction. And if you have any questions about that, just let me know. And if you would like to try one of the books that we have here at school, you can check anything out at the library that you'd want to check out here at school, or in Mrs. Wilson's class. She has a whole variety of novels that you're welcome to choose from. If you need some guidance or some help with that, I am happy to take you on a little tour of the books that she has in her room that are available for checkout as well. So just let me know. And thanks for being so great this week. I know there's a lot to take in, and I'm trying to make sure I'm giving you everything I need to. But if I miss something or get it wrong, then thanks for helping me out. I really appreciate that. Just as a heads up too, I will be sending Zoom schedules so that you know when we have lessons planned for Zoom. At the very beginning of this year, I'm going to ask that you join the Zoom so I can take attendance. But the further we go in the program, when I see that you're able to do things without attending Zoom as much, then we can kind of wean off that a little bit. And then also, I will be providing office hours for you to join me through Zoom. So if you have any questions, I can help you then too. So I will talk with you soon, and I look forward to working with you this year. All right. Enjoy your day.